The NuHuman Super Shake is a complete meal replacement. It contains 24 grams of whey protein isolate, no added sugars, and it is gluten-free. Further, it consists of fiber gum that makes you feel fuller for longer, Peptide Plus, which is a type of collagen that will improve your nail, hair, and skin health, as well as strengthen your bones and ligaments. It also contains a very unique ingredient called phospholipids, specifically phosphatidylserine, choline, and inositol. And this will specifically help your body improve the absorption of the nutrients you are consuming. You can drink 2 scoops of the NuHuman Shake diluted in water to make the perfect drink.